In this lesson, we will discuss what is ProBlooean is. For that, I'll go and create a box on top, something like a wall. Yes, click and say shaded. Again, I'll take a box. I'll drag in front viewport, something like this, one, and I'll make a copy of it by pressing shift and drag, maybe 2. Yeah, now if you see, we have 3 small boxes and one big box, which is we can call it as a wall, and this can call as a window. So I want to make 3 cuts. So I'll click big object, I'll go to compound objects. Previously we have seen Boolean, but now we can't use Boolean because we have more than 2 objects. So I'll go to ProBlooean and say start picking. If you see, the operation is subtractions. I'll click 1, 2, 3. If you see, we have not got proper in and out. Why? Because the operation is same as of with Boolean. That's why we have cut it only till this part. So I'll just say undo. I'll come out of that Boolean part. Now I'll make this box little bit small in length. I can make it like this. Click this bigger object. I'll go to ProBlooean and now I'll say start picking. Say 1, 2, 3. The difference is you can pick n number of objects to get the Boolean, and the worst part of this thing is generally what Boolean does is this is actually making a invisible. Still we have that object and it makes object lot more heavier in the sense, if you see, if your file gets huge in MBs, it will crash down. So when we use many booleans, it will take your file size much more larger, and that we don't want basically. So there are ways to avoid booleans, but the result will be the same. So how to do that, I'll just show you now. It's very simple. I'll press the G on my keyboard. I'll take shapes. I'll go to rectangle. I'll drag a rectangle. Now this option says this is start new shape. What it mean? When I'll make new box, it will be different to each other. This is different, this is different. Again, if you take rectangle, now this is different, this is different, this is different. So now I'll just select and delete it. I don't want. Again I'll delete. I'll take again the rectangle, but now I'll say I don't want to start a new shape. I'll click on it. I'll drag 1, maybe 2, maybe 3 or something like that. Even you can go inside that it will be spline. If you see vertex, segment and spline, if you click spline, you can make copy of it. Like you can press shift and drag to make a copy. And you can go and say extrude. See, this is what we got. So I want to give you the small explanation on this. I'm not telling you to don't do the booleans. If you have object small and if you have one window or something small objects to do it, do boolean command. Of course you do booleans, but you have many objects like these are if you take down 50 booleans, it will not going to happen. It will crash the scene. So in that case, try using this kind of techniques. So this was the lecture was, and in next session we will see more things. Thank you.